I thought you weren't going to get that thing on the road on time.
What do you mean? I told you I could and I did.
But how? You don't have anywhere to work on that old crate at the condos.
I took it over to my mechanic's place.
Why, you old coot, you ain't got a mechanic. You can't afford one. You've lost your mind.
Lost my mind, you old geezer. My mechanics is a fully equipped facility with the expertise, even to help a guy like you out on your car. They're located over on Plymouth Road, 35655 Plymouth Road. Give them a call. The number's 734-743-5808. They can help you even with that dog you're driving.
Well, there are some things I need to do. Hey, this thing will leave yours as if it was standing still.
You think so?
My pink against yours, you're on. I think I need a tune-up.